Students, we are studying the chapter Stormy Adventure. So up to here, what we have studied in the chapter, that the ship was going to Philippines. Captain Kumar with his two children was also there on the ship. He was the captain of the ship, and the ship was hit by a storm. And because of that storm, the gangway of the ship that hit the ship in a very bad manner, and the water started coming in the ship. So at that time only, his son, Captain Kumar's son Vishal, he got an idea, because he remembered one of the incident. You come to know about the incident that they tilted the boat and then the hole was repaired. So he got an idea. Captain Kumar heard him in silence. He nodded quickly. You are right, my boy. It is very risky under the circumstances, as the Trishna may even turn over, but it is the only way left. So Captain Kumar heard him silently. Thoroughly he heard him what he was trying to say, and he said, you are right, my boy. Your idea is great. You are right. You know, but conditions are quite risky. At that time, you can see the water was calm and shallow, but here we are in we are in the middle of the sea, and the storm was there, and even waves are so high, but there isn't any other way. We will list the ship to expose the hole in her side. List means tilt. देखो जैसे ये बोट टिल्ट की है, we will tilt the ship. He was already barking sharp orders in the phone. Why the term barking has been used? Because he was speaking so noisily. That was the word barking is used. Water in the bottom tanks was being shifted. In a short while, the Trishna leaned heavily to one side. So at that time only, he ordered everyone about the scheme, and in a very short time Trishna was tilted to one side. You can see here the ship has been tilted to one side. Down in the engine room, water gushed in only at intervals. Now the incoming of water in the engine room has also been slowed down. Chief officer and his men made a wooden plug. So chief officer and his men, they made a wooden plug. This time 5 people held it in position with all their might. So 5 people were there, and what they were doing, they were holding their positions and they were trying to bandage it. They blocked it in with cement. At last it held tight. So they were successful in that. There was a cry of relief as pumping operations began to dry out the engine room, and now engine room was also drying out. That was a near one, exclaimed Captain Kumar as he stepped into the cabin some hours later. That was a near one means we were about to hit by a storm very badly, but we got an idea in a proper time. In time we got an idea, and we implemented that also. Throwing off his raincoat, but your idea worked, Vishal. Perhaps that saved us. Then he said, your idea has worked, Vishal, and maybe that idea only has saved us. Latest weather reports show down that Typhoon Elsie is moving away. The barometer is rising and the wind is reduced. So here again they got the weather report that the Typhoon Elsie was moving away from them, and even the pressure of winds also reduced. We would all do with some rest after that battering. Now they all wanted to take rest because that was a violent beating of the storm. Even though we are 12 hours late, he smiled wearily at the children. So he said, even though we are 12 hours late already, but still we will take some rest. We are back on course. The damage is not as bad as we feared. Now we are in our proper direction, and the damage is also minor, not major. Oh, thank God, beamed Rohini in relief, who hadn't stirred from her bunk at all. Now Rohini was also thanking God. and she was all the time she was in her bed only. Do you know my stomach has stopped churning? Maybe I have got my sea legs after all. So she told to others that I am also feeling better. My stomach is now feeling well, and now I think I got my sea legs. That means now I think I am used. I am become used to this kind of situation. Vishal's legs were still wobbly. How close they had been to the eye of the storm. But Vishal's legs were also shivering a bit because they were so close to the storm. What a tale for the boys at school. So he was thinking it was a good story to be told in the school to his friends. In a while, the dark forms of the islands of the South China Sea loomed ahead. So after some time, they were able to see little islands. The turbulent spirit of the sea seemed to be soothed. The violent sea seemed to be calmed down. The wind had died down as if by a miracle. Now it was a miracle that winds have also stopped. Now indeed it would be smooth sailing. Now they were thinking that their traveling, that their voyage will be smooth. Now students, we will do the exercise understanding the story. Complete the following statements by filling the blanks with one word only. The name of the captain of Trishna was Captain Kumar. The Trishna weighed 8,000 tons. Mr. Bose held the position of chief engineer of the Trishna. The boating incident where the boat that Vishal and his friends were traveling in developed a leak happened in Okla. These questions will be uploaded in your DAV website. Now, C part. In the story A Stormy Adventure, some situations and actions lead to certain results. Complete the table given below by writing in appropriate column the action or the result that the given situation produced. So action, Rohini felt seasick. Result, her stomach was churning. Action, so here it is the result. Captain Kumar ordered the men on the deck to lash the cargo. So action क्या था जिसका result ये था. Action was it's important to reach Mindao by Monday. Then water gushed into the Trishna. Action was gangway hit one side of the ship. Vishal remembered a similar boat incident. Then the result, he gave the idea to Captain Kumar. Then the result, the Trishna was saved. Ship was tilted and repaired. So students, these are the questions, and revise the chapter thoroughly. And here, this question, writing skills, that you will do it by yourself. Just write an article. So students, other things we will start in the next video. Thank you students. Have a nice day.